What happens when ultimate power meets handcrafted elegance? You get this. The Mercedes-Maybach Aurora, seen here in a deep, indulgent chocolate brown. It's more than just a luxury car. It's a statement. A presence. Something you feel, long before you hear it. From the upper view, the lines are clean, long, and royal. It's like a yacht gliding through a sea of silence. Move to the front, and that massive chrome grille hits you, not with aggression, but authority. The Maybach badge glows gently like a crown. Swing around the rear, and you'll see a seamless LED light bar, sculpted bumpers, and a hint of sport wrapped in absolute grace. But step inside. That's where the future unfolds. You're greeted by creamy diamond-stitched leather, glowing ambient light, and a command center made of touch-sensitive screens and rose gold trim. It's digital luxury, with a heartbeat. Reclining rear seats. Chilled champagne storage. Noise-canceling cabin. And enough presence to silence a crowd. Every detail, handcrafted. Every angle, photogenic. Every journey, unforgettable. This is the Mercedes-Maybach Aurora. And in this chocolate finish? It's not just luxury. It's legendary. The only question is, would you drive it, or be driven in it?